Welcome to tutorial. Today I will guide you how to install RankMath and how to set up RankMath in your WordPress website. Just log in your WordPress website and go to plugin section and now search here RankMath and then install. I am already installed RankMath and activated. Now go to settings. How to set up RankMath SEO plugin for WordPress. Just go to RankMath and go to settings, RankMath settings. Now click on setup wizard here, setup wizard. Once clicking on setup wizard here, easy, advanced and custom mode. I recommend you to choose advanced mode and now click on setup wizard. So here choose your blog site, which is your blog site. My is a other personal website. My is a personal website. And now choose a logo for Google. Enter a logo for Google. So if you have a logo, then upload it here. Default social sharing image. If you have a social sharing image for homepage, then add it. And now next step is a Google connect Google services. Benefit of connecting Google account. So here benefit written down below. So click on continue. Connect your Google connect your Google and then Google accounts with the RankMath. So once RankMath connected with your Google account, then click on allow. All of Google account is connected and then click on next button. Here search console. Now connect your search console. This is too much important to connect your search console with RankMath. And next step is analytics. Also connect analytics with RankMath to rank your website because it's a good signal for your website. And if you have AdSense account, so connect it. I don't have AdSense account at the moment. And now click on next button and sitemap. Sitemap is too much important. Once you post create a post on and publish on your website, then sitemap help your website to ping to search engine, and you create a new website and then click on next button. No index empty category it's allow, and now no follow external link. If you enter as a third party link, then click on and then enable it and no follow. So if you want to some roles for manager, say I don't have any role manager, I am clicking on next button. So 404 monitor, if you delete someone some post, then 404 monitor if you want to monitor. So click on monitor and now then click on next. Schema type for post, so I am choosing article. So my website is I am writing on article. I am choosing schema type article and article type is and next select the article type. I am choosing article type is article and schema type for pages article and next type is also choose article. So if you are writing blog post, then click on blog post. Now the setup wizard is completed and next step is journal setting. Now go to journal setting. Here you can see some settings. Breadcrumb if you want webmaster to now connect Google search console customarily. So click on the link and now copy this and paste it here. And now Bing webmaster tool, Baidu webmaster tool, Alexa, Yandex and other webmaster tool available. If you have, then connect it and then easily rank your website. And now show SEO score RS after. So if you have, then setup and next edit and next is analytics. We already connect analytics, we don't need to do anything. Now next here title and meta. Don't do any changes if you don't understand. So if because default rank math setting is good, so a spectator character, if you want to add some special characters, so if you don't understand how to customize, so I recommended you default rank math setting is okay, so then don't change anything. And next step is local SEO. If you are a person or organization, so write your name and logo and URL. URL is already added. And next step is social meta Facebook page URL. If you have, then connected. And now home page, how how you look your home page. So if you want to customize, then customize is, so here I am copying my description, my website description, home meta description, how if you add meta description, how my website look on Google. And click on mix pages. So if you want to customize this, so customize it. So I am removing my loud updates URL from my single post, so I don't want. And next step is next setting is post pages. So I am also removing from here. I am just want a post name. I don't want to add any website name in my post. So I am just single post title is just simple post, for example some article title. I don't want any other thing. And description automatically add. Don't do anything if you don't understand, because default setting is a perfect. But if you want to customize, if you understand, then customize it. But if you don't understand, then don't click anything and any button. Pages. And now next step is a pages setting, attachment category setting. So here a tags. So here you can see a tag. If you want to index your tag, so if you want to index your tag, then click on index your tags. And next general setting as sitemap link per sitemap, so I am selecting 1000. And next image index, make 100% down of this. And next is post sitemap, how and now post map settings. So here you can see how it look like. So because I am not writing any post, so here and tags, category sitemap, attachment. So click on save button. Now next step is status as tool. So here you can see some rank math about status and setting. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you want more customized, you can customize. If you don't understand, don't do.